In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage invoice receipts in Xero by sending or viewing them. Let's dive straight into the Xero dashboard, your starting point for accessing all the features you need to keep your business running smoothly. First, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section. You'll find this option in the main menu. Click there and then choose Invoices from the drop-down menu. This is where all your transaction records reside. Once you're in the Invoices section, look for the Paid tab. This is your destination for all invoices that have been successfully settled by your customers. Clicking on the Paid tab will display a list of completed transactions. Now, scan through this list to find the specific invoice you're interested in. Targeting the right invoice is crucial, so take your time to ensure accuracy. Click on the invoice you need to explore further. This action will open up the invoice details, presenting you with a comprehensive view of all the transaction specifics. At the bottom of this window, you'll notice a payment link. Click on this link to reveal options related to this particular invoice payment. This is where you can manage the specifics concerning receipts. Now, focus your attention on the Options drop-down menu available on the screen. Upon clicking this, you'll be met with a couple of straightforward choices: Send Receipt or View Receipt PDF. These options allow you to either immediately share the payment confirmation with your customer, or simply view the receipt for your reference. If your goal is to ensure that your customer receives proof of their payment, Send Receipt is the choice for you. Selecting this option prompts an email template, which you can customize before dispatching it to the customer's provided email address. This ensures that their records are up to date, providing them with peace of mind and helping maintain a transparent business relationship. On the other hand, if you just want to view the payment confirmation for yourself, click View Receipt PDF. This downloads a high-quality PDF of the receipt. You might find this useful for your own records, or to review the details of the transaction at a later date. Either way, it's an efficient, streamlined process that allows you to manage invoices and receipts effectively within Xero. So, with these steps, you have now learned how to breeze through managing and sending invoice receipts in Xero. Remember, keeping accurate records is not only a crucial part of maintaining customer satisfaction, but it also greatly aids in keeping your business's financial records in tip-top shape. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on